Indian education system, the largest and most diversified system in the world, rooted with ancient tradition yet rapidly evolving with modern education practices. It reflects complex tapestry of cultural heritage, modern educational practices, as well as diverse learning methodologies. Right from the ancient Gurukul to contemporary institutions, the journey of Indian education system has been deeply into forward-looking aspirations.
Gurukul Indian education system is good because they teach about Hinduism culture and history, which is good for us, and they also teach about those subjects which is in modern education system. In Gurukul education system, we learn lot of things. In Indian Gurukul education system, they teach how to calm yourself, how to meditate, and they stay there in Gurukul. They wake up in early morning. They do meditation, yoga, exercise, which is good for our health and which is good for our mental health also.
Indian modern education is good because in Indian education teachers teach us with the help of technology. They teach us about science and technology. In Gurukul education system, there is no technology. They do not teach English, science, social science, all this. They teach like Sanskrit grammar, maths, Ayurveda, like this. They are good, but now this time we all have to know about science and technology, history, history of India and other things. We have to know about earth, which is in science. So that's why Indian education is more better than Gurukul education system.
Ancient education system is more better than modern education system because in ancient education system students thought about their entire life, their every situation in life. In modern education students were reading only for doing work, but in ancient education system students teach about beauty of life, beauty of culture, beauty of nature, and also for war or kingdom life. In ancient education system teachers teach the 18 subjects to the students, like political science, astronomy, Ved, maths, etc. In our Ved there are lots of things. There are lots of father of atom bomb also take direction from Bhagavad Gita, and like etc. So the ancient education system is more better than modern education system.